So in this video I just wanted to share my experience with plugging my Model 3 in for the very first time, because it might be help somebody else out there if you think that when you've plugged your charger in and it's not coming out that you've done something wrong, or it's stuck or broken, and it's something really simple. So the car knows when it's been inserted and it locks it in place to stop it from being stolen, and at £100, £200 these cables aren't cheap. So there's two ways of unlocking the charger. The first is to press the button on the charger there. I'll point that out. What's really important is the charger needs to be plugged in. There needs to be power going through the charger for that button to work. It's an electronic button. I was pressing the button when there was no power going through the unit, thinking that that button's going to work. It's not. There needs to be power to that charger. Press the button and then that will unlock. The other option you have is to do it through the Tesla app. So when the car's charging, in the bottom left hand corner you'll be able to see a little lightning bolt. If you click on that, that will take you to a couple of little options you've got when the car's in charge mode, and they are to stop charging and to unlock the charge port. So if we press that button, you'll hear it unlock, and then it's just a case of sliding the charging port out. And it's as easy as that, no need to struggle, and once you know, you know. Thank you for watching, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll be making some more content around the car soon.